Valga Valamudan. Good morning, students. Today we are see about measuring mass. The amount of material in an object is called mass. It can measured on a scale or balance. The SI unit is the kilogram. Electronic devices are used to measure the masses with the nearest hundredth and thousands places. So if we buy a gold in gram or milligram or medicine in milligram, they need to measure masses. Can we use same instrument for measuring above the listed items? No. So if we buy a banana or apple, we are using a different instrument, or using different instrument to measure weight, or sometimes we are using a digital instrument. So we have many instruments to measure masses. So the measuring device of mass, we have many devices, that is common balance, physical balance, digital balance, beam balance, etc. In our subject we learn about common balance. That means beam balance. A beam balance is compare the simple or small mass with the standard units of 5 kg, 10 kg and 20 kg and 100 kg, kilogram, which starts with 5 gram up to that 5 kg. So here we use the two scale plane. It is attached with a beam with pointer. One side we put a weight stone, and the side we put what are the object we need to buy. So which it is equalized, we get that amount of kg material here. So next we see about that physical balance. So this balance is used in a lab and is smaller to be beam balance. Inside the wooden card we have the shape of two beam balance structure, but it is not a lot more sensitive. It can measure mass of an object correct than milligram. For laboratory we are use this, and also in ancient time we use this to measure a gold for gram, milligram, etc. For this physical balance we are using that 100 milligram and 20 milligram and 50 milligram and 1000 milligram, 1 kg, etc. So for this physical balance are utilized for precision mass measurement. The physical balance can measure accurately up to milligram. It is provided with a box of stand. Masses ranges up to 1 milligram to 100 gram. It works on the same principle as that beam balance. So if the beam balance working which principle, that is also used for the same physical balance. So next we see about the what is this, that is a digital balance. So for this balance we are using a digital value. Nowadays for accurate measurement we are using the digital balance, which measure mass accurately even up to the few milligrams. That means they put the 0.00 gram, that is a few milligram. Its least value is 10 milligram. So this is an electronic device to handle and commonly used in jewel shop and laboratory. So very accurate balance is called analytical balance, used in a scientific field such as chemistry. The analytical balance is a class of balance designed to measure small masses with sub-milligrams. That only I said. We have a value that is 0.00 gram. That is it give a accurate value of few milligrams. So it have another one name, that is a analytical balance. Next we see about that last one, that is a spring balance. So this balance is used to find weight of an object consisting of a spring fixed with one end and hook is attached to the rod of a other end. It works by the hook principle, which we learn about in our previous classes. That means in your 8th standard, which state that addition of weight produces the proportional increasing in the length of a spring. So if we add more weight, the spring length is increased. Point is attached to the rod, which is slide over a graduated scale at the right. The spring extended according to the weight. So if we take a 1 gram, it also expanded. If we take a 10 gram, and also it is expanded. If we take 20 gram, and also it is expanded. Weight attached with the hook at the point read the weight of an object on the scale. So instrument for measuring mass, that is a spring balance. We have a hook with different two types of spring balance. Weighing instrument which weighed by showing a amount of an object stretching a spring. So amount of object is increased, the spring will be stretched here. This is the known 4 types of balances with measuring masses. அதாவது தமிழ் மீடியம் இன்றைக்கி வந்து நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, மெஷரிங் மாஸ், அதாவது என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா எடை அளவுகள் அளக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து நமக்கு 4 விதமான அளவிகள் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. தராசு, சுருள் தராசு, வில் தராசு, இயற்பியல் தராசு, அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்திங்கன்னா மின்னணுவியல் தராசு அப்படின்ற 4 தராசு. ஒரு தராசு என்ன பண்ணும், அதோட எடைகளுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி பொருளை அளந்து கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இது யாருக்காவது டவுட் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா புக் ரெஃபர் பண்ணுங்கள். இன் யுவர் புக் பேஜ் நம்பர் 8 and 9. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்.